Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to post stories on your Facebook business page. This is a great way to share quick updates, behind the scenes content, or promotional material with your audience in a format that's engaging and temporary, perfect for keeping your followers updated without cluttering your main feed. First, you'll need to navigate to facebook.com and log in to your Facebook business account. Make sure you're accessing your business homepage, not your personal profile. This is important because the story will be posted under your business identity, reaching your business followers and customers. Once you're on your business homepage, direct your attention to the top part of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Create Story with a plus button next to it. Click on that plus button to begin creating your story. This will open up the story creation interface where you can start adding your content. After clicking the plus button, you'll be prompted to select what type of story post you wish to add. Facebook gives you several options here, including a photo story or a text story. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use a text story, so go ahead and click on that option. Text stories are perfect when you want to share a quick message or announcement without needing any images or videos. Now you're in the text story editor where you can start typing your content. This is where the customization begins. On the left side menu, you'll notice various formatting options. Click on the drop-down menu to explore different text styles. You can choose between clean, casual, fancy, or headline formats. Each style gives your text a different look and feel, so pick the one that best matches your brand's personality or the tone of your message. Next, you'll want to choose a background for your story. Facebook offers a variety of colorful backgrounds and patterns that can make your text stand out. Scroll through the options and select one that complements your text and catches the eye. If you'd like to make your story even more engaging, you can add music by clicking on the Add Music option. A music window will appear where you can search for songs. Type in the name of the song you wish to add to your story and select it from the results. Adding music can enhance the mood of your story and make it more memorable for viewers. Once you've typed your text, chosen your formatting style, selected your background, and added music if desired, you're ready to publish. Look for the Share to Story button and click it. Your story will now be posted under your Facebook business account, visible to your followers for the next 24 hours. And there you have it, you've successfully posted a story on your Facebook business page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.